So hello everybody. So in this tutorial I'll show you how to make your piggy skin. So there's another part for part 2. Yeah. So we're just going to show you how to make it. So first, before we do that, there's an animate script so you can put the animations. We'll do that later. A bear, so so piggy, if he touches you, but if you're piggy and if the piggy touches you, then it won't attack the other piggy. A cost, you could put it whatever cost you want, like whatever, how many, but I'm gonna leave it to 0. A Q perfection, oh, weld. So, but what this does is that it anchors the head, but it attaches to the head, so it attaches to the head and it won't like fall off. And you got a kill animation. We'll show you how to use those. So we could customize the skin whatever we want. For an example, this is just an example. You have to copy me, but I'm gonna make newbie, and you can make another skin or just like make a completely original skin. This is just for like the tutorial. If I'm not like talking a bit in the video, it's just me trying to set up the video. So there, so we got that, and we could call it newbie, I guess. So how do we make the animations now? Now you could do 2 things. One, you can rig it at least. So if you want to keep it, then yeah. So if you want to keep the perfection wheel, which I always like to do, you have to get a dummy and you could create your animation. Or if you're gonna remove it, then you're gonna have to rig it up. So, or if you're like me, or if you don't want to do either of those options, you can just weld it all. So you just grab the weld, then you'll click it and then put it on head as part 0 and part 1 as the other part. Don't put at the same part because then it won't work. There, it should work now. If it doesn't work sometimes, then just keep the normal perfection weld. I'm just gonna test it. Okay, it works. So we can begin animating the thing. So let's just do a idle animation. So if after you're done with your second frame, like I did, copy the first one, like right click it, then press copy, then for the third frame, paste it and then loop it. This will basically make your animation look better. So then you do the exact same thing for the walk. So create a walk. And then just do the exact same thing, but just make it a walkie animation. Oops, I missed the head. So yeah, that's basically what you do for the kill. The walk. The kill, I'll explain how to do that one, because that one's a little different. And just like the idle, you just copy the animation and paste it there. And I forgot to move the head in this second frame. And there you go. Now let's do the kill animation, which is a little different. So you need to get like a kill. Since the template I used doesn't have a weapon and the one I made for the example has no weapon, I'm just going to make it slap you. Now you could edit it like I said, so you don't have to copy me. Then you just save. If you loop it, then it won't work and it will just keep looping the animation. So just do it like that. After saving it, you should export every animation. Now just put it in each respected order. And just like that. And since now it has aims, you can now import every animation. Now we did the kill, you put in the torso and the kill animation. For the walk now and the idle, you just have to put it in the animate stance that is in the model. And we do the exact same thing for the idle, except this has 2 frames. Now just don't worry about that. You could just grab both of them and then paste the animation that you did. So just do that, then do copy and paste it, and boom, you're done. Now we need to add a kill like script. So get the model description. It's made by Red Games. So credits to Red Games, by the way. So it already has animate bear, and the kill animation. But we need 3 things: dead, hit, and script. So by the way, put it in torso, and then delete the skin kit model. So basically, it will play a sound in kill and hit. I'm not going to be bothered to change them, but you could change them. So after we're done making our skin, let's put it in the replicated storage and put it in the skin folder. And if we want to make it our starter character, because in here it's starter character, and in here it has Piggy. So if nobody equips a skin, it's just gonna be Piggy. But we don't want that. So duplicate the newbie or your skin name, and then I'll show you how this all works. So just go to skin folder, duplicate it, command D, or just duplicate this button, and then drag it into workspace. Then we're gonna call it starter character, and you have to do that correct because then it won't work. So delete that and put it right here. After that, you can now just be happy and be proud of yourself, and it will appear in the shop too. So you don't have to worry about anything. I know this was probably like a long video, and just put it right there. Oh wait, I forgot one thing. Don't do the mistake I did. So don't put the starter character in the skins folder. Put it in the replicated storage, not in the folder. Or else you're just gonna be dumb like me, where I made a mistake. So let's just let the game load. And right there. And we have newbie right here, or your skin template that you made. So let's just do a random chapter, and it should, and our character, and yeah. And that's how you make newbie, like that's how you basically make like a skin template. So yeah, you have to make, so yeah, that's how you make a skin. So I'm just testing the game. It won't show newbies since I had to change it to like the bot to it. So but I hope that made you learn something. So like and subscribe. 10 likes for a part 3. And sorry if it took long to make part 2. It's because I had to do stuff IRL. Anyways, bye bye.